Good morning, guys. I had a long night yesterday, so we need to clean and get my shit together, because I've cleaned yesterday and then we made a mess. So let's go to the bathroom, wash our face, and then do some makeup so we can be productive. It's not that much to clean, it's just kitchen and dishes. And then I want to change my bed sheets and brush my hair because this is ridiculous. Remember to always use a separate towel for your face, please. You don't want to wash your ass and then use the same towel what you use for your ass for your face, you know. So I always have it next to my sink, just right in here, so then I can use it for my face. patches. I think we can put them on. I got them in dark glass in Poland. It's kind of like Sephora, but it's not Sephora, you know. They're very cute little star eye patches. We're gonna keep them on for a while, and I need to make myself a cup of tea since it's very late now and I don't really want to drink coffee because I need to wake up in the morning. The kitchen is the one place we will have to clean because I had people over yesterday and we were cooking, well, we were making pizza, so that is just not in a very good state. But tea first. I'm having my leftover pizza slice for breakfast. I got some new electrolytes from PHIZZ Fizz. Mixed berry flavor, so I'll try them on today. And oh, they smell like vitamins I used to take when I was in Poland when I was a kid. Very nice memory. Only bottled water. I think that's enough. And then in my special Harry Potter mug, we're also gonna make a berry tea. We're gonna have a very berry day today. You know what? There's a number of things. Bless me. There's a number of things I have to do. That's very sweet. There's a number of things I still have to do in the house and still have to buy for the house, and one of those things is deep cleaning the oven and probably washing machine, but today is not the day. I got a pink stuff magic scrubber, so cleaning the washing machine will probably be very enjoyable, but today we just need to clean the mess from yesterday, change the bed sheets, and maybe deep clean my sweet cupboard, because yeah, that was just something falling off. I want to deep clean this and then eventually put the teas at the bottom and the rest of the things at the top. Yeah, so I took out a lot of my sweets yesterday, and I think it's a good time to just take everything off this cupboard off and clean it and give it a scrub. And then gradually I'm just gonna go through all of this. But today we focus on that one. So I took everything out from the cupboard. We just need to clean it and then organize this. That's all done and looking better. I still have a lot of stuff, so I need to use it up, but it's good. Alright guys, thank you for hanging out with me, cleaning with me and spending time with me. As you can see there, we can still clean a bit more, but that will come in the next video. Have a good night, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.